Again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is part 2 of my neighbor tree cutting down. So they finished the first tree, now they're going up to cut the second tree, because what they're doing is they're making sure that they protect the place from the line that is there, because we have a lot of electrical line, so they're making sure that they protect it, from falling onto the line. So this is part 2. Remember, go to my YouTube channel, Marie and Mella, and subscribe, share, and comment, okay? To see the ending of these 2 videos. I have part 1 on YouTube, Marie and Mella, and now this is part 2, okay? So now see, they're cutting the stumps. There it is, they're cutting the stumps right now. Because they don't want the stumps to regrow, The guy climbing up there now to go do the other one while he is there doing the tree, There it is, he's climbing up and he's cutting the stump, and the others are putting in the things into the truck. There it is. They're putting it in the truck right there. And he's climbing up. Taking down the stumps right there, yeah. There he is, he's still cutting up some more of the stumps while he's getting prepared to cut down some of the limbs one by one. He's going to be cutting down the limbs right there. So he's well secure because he tie on cord on himself. Plus, he has some stuff that spikes on his shoes, See, he's making sure that the limbs are secure from not going onto the house. So I am not sure. I'm probably just proposing right now that they'll probably hold it so the limb doesn't fall on top of the roof over there, There it is right there. So he adjourned the saw, so this way he can bring it and loop it up there to him right there. See? Okay. Right there. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. It's like a lifter for the saw that they made, so you can always able to handle the saw and someone else don't have to go to it. This is a technique that if y'all can't afford people to do it, y'all can do it yourself. This is good, if you know what you're doing. Here he is, he's about to cut that now, and the guy's holding the string. There it is, the first one he cuts. There it is, it's down. Okay, so he put it on the thing, so this way okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yes, he cut 2 pieces. Yeah, that's good. That's good. There it is. Okay, there it is. They're cutting up the limbs right there while he's about to tie. There it is. And then they're going to throw it into the garbage bin while he's tying on some more limbs to make sure that they do it the same way like how they did it not too long for protection. That's awesome. That's awesome. There he is again. He's about to cut another limb right there. 2 limbs as a matter of fact, because he has the top one and the bottom one. Remember, and he's going to cut that one now, then he has it over the other one. So he's going to cut the other limb also. See? See it? So it holds it so it doesn't fall on the house. Beautiful. Nice. There it is. Nice. So now they're untying it from the limb to chop that one up again. Now he's gonna go up to the next limb now. He's gonna go up to the next limb to cut the other limb now. So he has that little saw that cuts the small limb that's in the way right now to protect himself, It's like a little saw. A little utility saw. Now I think he's gonna go up a little more so he can be more balanced, so he can put the rope on to cut the other limb right there. There the guys are right there waiting. That other one around the limb and make himself be secure and so that they can probably push the ladder up a little more for him also. Okay. Oh, he has a thing on his shoes, you know. That little hook thing stud goes on the shoes. Yeah. Oh yeah. See? Plus he's pushing up the ladder too. Okay, he's taking down the ladder, but later after he do that, he's gonna probably. Oh, now he can probably do it without the ladder because he has that foot latch. You know that it's a stud that holds the place. Okay, he's securing himself again. About to cut another limb right there. There he is. Cutting down some more limb right. Alright. There it is. Yeah. Alright. We leave a piece right there so this way he can have his foot, yeah, preserved for a while. Yeah, there it is. There it is.
Okay, you're right. Taking a sharp pieces.
I told you, I know what I'm saying. Alright. Now it's coming back down now to cut the other limb. Snapping the rope on top of that limb there. So he's gonna cut that limb right now. So he's snapping on that piece over there. He's gonna be cutting it now. There it is. Cutting it now. Wow. That is nice. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. They're cutting up the limbs right now that we just cut up. So they're just working on time for each other, you know. Now he's latching the strap for the next limb, which is the most difficult limb. Here he is. He's going to be doing the most difficult, tedious one right there. There it is. There it is. There it is. There's the other limb he's about to cut right there. There it is. There it is. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. There it is. Yes. Alright. That's the tedious part right there. But he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. He's gonna get it. There it is. He's gonna get it. See, he has to clear his way right there. In every way you can, he has to clear his way. Here he is. He's about to cut some more again right there. So he's cutting down some more limbs right there. Okay. There it is. Cutting down some more limbs. Oh yes. He's making it much easier. You know? Alrighty. Nice. There it is. Okay. Nice. Now he's hooking on again on the other limb so this way he can get a better grip and to cut better, you know.